Self-mastery is a sharpening of a sword. And that sharpening of a sword is a lifetime's work, right? Now, you'll get much better at it in a short space of time. Over a prolonged period of time, the difference between sharp and razor sharp becomes less and less apparent, okay? Becomes less and less obvious. But when you take a blunt sword and then sharpen that, even when it gets to the point where it's able to actually lay a scratch in you, it's a noticeable difference to what it was before. Make sense? So the progress is huge. And once you get sharper and sharper, it's very hard to realize that you're making that progress. Okay? So once you've got these tools, continuously work on yourselves. Right? This is the whole point. You're empowered with the tools. You don't need me once you know how to work with yourself.